Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making lasagna. It came out delicious. Let's get started. I have a big pan. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is half of an onion. I chopped it up really fine. Put it in my chopper. And this is 1 large garlic clove. Okay, so I'm going to cook that up for a few minutes. Now I've added 1 pound of ground turkey, but you can use ground beef. I just happen to have ground turkey. You can use whatever meat you want. You can use impossible meat if you wanted to. So this is 1 pound of ground turkey, mixing it up with my onion, and we're going to cook this until my turkey is completely cooked. So as my meat is cooking, I'm going to add some seasonings. This is 1 teaspoon each: salt, pepper, parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. So I'm going to add my seasonings and just give that a good stir and keep on cooking my meat. So my turkey is almost completely cooked. I'm going to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. This is 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. I'm going to use 3. Now this is tomato paste. I'm adding half a can, which is 3 ounces. The cans usually are 6 ounces. So I'm using half a can. And that's just going to kind of thicken it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to let this marry up together, cook it for about 15 minutes or so. Let all these ingredients really combine. And just to let you know that if you walk away, this is going to start popping. That's notorious for pasta sauces. So you do have to keep an eye on it and keep stirring it every so often. Now I'm going to make my center ricotta filling. Okay, lasagna is always layers. We have to have a ricotta filling. So this is 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. They don't make it in 16 ounces anymore. And this is a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Has to be fresh. 1/4 cup. This is a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. 1 egg. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to mix all this together. Okay, it's all mixed together. So when it comes to making your lasagna, it's good to have all of your items close by, okay? So you can have a little assembly line going. So this is a 9 by 13 baking dish, and I'm adding a little bit of the sauce to the bottom. Now I cooked my lasagna noodles according to the package directions. You're going to make a layer. Your next layer is the ricotta mixture. So you just spread that all as 1 layer. Now I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top of my ricotta cheese. About a cup. Here's another layer of noodles, followed by some more sauce. Here's some more noodles. Here's some sauce and more mozzarella cheese. So now I have a 375-degree oven waiting. It's nice and hot. I'm adding a piece of aluminum foil that's been sprayed with a non-stick cooking spray. And that side is going to be down. That way your cheese doesn't stick to the aluminum foil. Now I'm going to put this in my oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and cooked through. So this is my lasagna. It came out super tasty. It's a really good recipe. Now let me tell you something. My sauce, it makes a lot of sauce. So you have two options. You can put some in baggies and freeze some of that sauce for another time. You can have spaghetti or make more lasagna. Or if you wanted to feed a bunch of people, you can make a double batch of what this recipe was. So it does make a lot of sauce, but you can freeze it. Freezing spaghetti sauce, it works perfectly. So this is my lasagna, homemade lasagna. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.